Most people see this and think easy substitution, right? Well, not quite. First, we need to recognize that this is an improper fraction since the degree of the numerator is greater than that of the denominator. So we can make it proper by performing the division to get x cubed over x squared plus 1 equals to x minus x over x squared plus 1. And therefore, the integral can be written as follows. Now, the first integration is easy, and we get a half x squared. But can you think of how we can solve this second term? That's right. Now we can use the substitution u equals to x squared plus 1, and therefore du equals to 2x dx. So putting this in, we get the integral in terms of u as a half integral of 1 over u du, which integrates out to a half natural log of u. And replacing u with x squared plus 1, we get the answer, a half x squared minus a half natural log of x squared plus 1 plus c.